Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a wavy textured design in some shades of green. I'm making my own green color using different greens and blue, and then black and white to create shades. So yeah, let's see how that turns out, as this is my first project of this type. I actually used a tool to make these waves with textured paste. Unfortunately, the first part of the video was recorded in time lapse by mistake, so apologies, as I can't show you the whole process of making those waves. I might show it some other time when I make the next piece. Right, and here is the final piece. I had to coat it 3 times to fill in all the gaps and to get the right shades. Let me know in the comments what you think about this design. If you like my content, please take a minute to subscribe and share with others. Until next time, take care.